Good afternoon, traders. It's Tuesday, February 10th, and it's 12:50 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, California time. It's late in the day. I didn't have a chance to do any trading today. I've been super busy. I did take one trade. I took the one trade per day strategy. I didn't get a chance to record it. I was leaving, and all I did was take the entry. It's one thing nice about that trade is that you can just take the entry, assuming that it comes relatively quickly, which usually it will. Actually, sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Today it came pretty quickly, so I was able to take it, and then it's a 20-tick stop and a 20-tick profit on the trade, and the math is pretty good there at 1-to-1, so you just let it go. You can just turn your back on it, and it'll either hit the 20 ticks to your stop or 20 ticks to your exit. Pretty high mathematics. So that's what I did, and it sure enough, it made it. I think it's gone like 35 ticks roughly, and I was going for 20, so it's gone an extra 15 ticks above my above my profit level, my exit. So that's as simple as that. One trade per day. That's the last code 2 of the day, and one trade per day strategy works. It's actually, that trade is heating up right now. It's working very good, and I mentioned that yesterday in my charting. Today, working again. I took it, made one trade, successful trade. That was it. I didn't get it on video though, but it was just a one trade per day strategy. The thing is definitely heating up. As a matter of fact, I'll just go ahead and start taking that every day. Before it was getting a little squirrely for a little while. I didn't recommend taking it, but now it's doing very well. So time to play it when it's doing well. I just played one trade today. It's the easiest trade in the world. Okay, I'm gonna get going. I'll be back tomorrow. I should have some time to do some more trading tomorrow. And tomorrow's what? Wednesday, right? Yeah, it's going to be Wednesday tomorrow. News is going to come out. I might even wake up for the news. I love playing the news, because all you got to do is figure out what the code is going into the news, and then you can nail the news. And sometimes the news plays are worth 100 ticks right there. So, you know, and all you got to do is nail that initial entry, and boom, hang on to it. That's a sweet trade. So I'd like to get up and do that particular trade on Wednesdays, especially if I think it's going to move for some reason. I have no reason to believe that it will, but yeah, every news day is a good chance. Anyway, I'm going to get going. I'll be back tomorrow, do some trading. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and I hope you're doing well. You code traders out there, I'm sure you are. Today the code looked pretty good. Actually, I didn't take a very good look at it, to be honest, but I will for the charting today. But actually, I looked at the code 2 for the main code 2, and that one, I called it perfectly. I called it perfectly again. Been calling it perfectly all week last week, and perfectly again this week. So the charting can definitely help you in terms of learning and in terms of nailing the code 2 every day. And that's for 100 ticks. So, and it was good again for another 100 ticks. Over 100 ticks. Looks like about 100 and something ticks, 120 ticks. Something like that. Yeah, a little over 120. Okay, so I'm gonna get going. I'll be back tomorrow. I gotta get to work on the charting soon. And I'm going to take a little break for a little bit here, and then I'm going to get to work on that, and I'll be back tomorrow to do some trading and more charting. And this is how you make money trading. This is the real deal. This is what it takes. You got to work at it every day. Okay, be back tomorrow, traders. Happy trading out there.